Earth has been far hotter than it is today and far colder. For example, about 56 million years ago, there were palm trees and crocodiles living above the Arctic Circle. On the other side of things, between about 1 million years ago and about 20,000 years ago, a succession of glacial periods dropped the global temperature as much as 4 degrees Celsius colder than the recent average. So it might seem that concerns about the human-induced global warming we are now undergoing are overblown. What's the worry, some might say, if Earth has persisted through far worse in its history? Well, consider this. Human civilization developed in a recent stable period of Earth's climate history, one that we are now rapidly accelerating ourselves out of as we alter our atmosphere by wantonly burning fossil fuels. Continued global warming will submerge coastal cities and entire low-lying countries beneath the rising ocean, amplify political instability to levels we have not seen since the early 20th century, and bring on droughts, famines, and mass migrations of people such as the world has never witnessed. Any notion that there will be economic or literal high ground to which members of wealthy nations like ours can retreat to escape these dreadful effects is just a selfish and self-deluded fantasy. Humanity's looming effect on Earth's climate is the greatest crisis of our time. We can stop global warming by dramatically decreasing emissions of greenhouse gases into our atmosphere. What we need now is informed awareness, individual and institutional action, political will, and genuine commitment to the global good. As we should have realized 50 years ago, when Apollo 11 sent back its beautiful pictures of the whole Earth from space, we are all in this together, in this one place. Thank you.